Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can inherit views in Odoo, so let's get right into it. I will need to use this Odoo development book because I myself do not have access to the needed files to make any changes and adjustments in the view directory, and I can't inherit views myself, so I do hope you guys understand. But without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, view inheritance is done in Odoo by creating your own XML file or making changes for inheritance through XML files in general. Now, you must do this, you must inherit the view before you can edit the view, and this is why this functionality is important. And you can inherit any view, including forms, Kanbans, trees, etc. And to inherit the view, you need to create an XML file such as this. And as you'll see, this is pretty much just a standard function or a field to create a record or a table, call it whatever you want. And as you'll see, this is the inherit command. As you can see, you have your parent ID, and you just add .inherit at the end through the XML file, and you should be good to go. Now, once you've specified this, you're pretty much good to go, and you can make adjustments using the XPath tag if you so choose. So for example, these are the examples for the expressions that can be added. In the top here, as you can see, it's field name, expression, position, after, but you can use any of these examples and any of the other sort of expression functionalities that you can find. And yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.